Hi D1, how are you guys doing? So we are going to do an activity together today about recycling, okay? So let's see, we're going to go over some of these things. We're going to talk about what they are, and then we're going to talk about if it's recyclable, meaning if it's something we can put into the recycling bin and they'll take it and then make it into something else to save the earth, right? Or if it's not recyclable, if it ends up going in the garbage, right? We want to put less things in the garbage. So we're going to talk about these things, about what they are and about where they go, okay? All right. Okay, ready? So we have, let's see, we have a can. Okay, this is a can. Make it a little bigger if we want so we can see it. Soda or iced tea or seltzer. Are we going to put this in the recyclable bin? Or are we going to put this in the garbage? Where are we going to put the can? That's right, the can is going to go in the recycling bin, right? We can recycle that. We can reuse, recycle. We can recycle that one. Okay, how about a computer? Okay, how about a computer? This one to me is a little challenging. Okay. A computer, we can reuse it for something else, okay? But I think for the most part, a computer is going to end up in the garbage, okay? I think. Sorry, Mom and Dad, if I'm not right about that one. Okay, a paper bag. Something you would get at the grocery store. Is a paper bag going to be recyclable? Can we reuse it? Or is it something that we ends up going in the garbage? A paper bag is definitely recyclable, right? Sometimes we color on them in school. We can make book covers out of them. We can actually recycle them, and they can make other things out of paper, right? How about a sandwich? Sandwich. A sandwich is going to go in the garbage, right? There's nothing really we can reuse in a sandwich because that's food, okay? And food either goes in garbage or in the compost, right? We've talked a little bit about compost in our class, right? Okay. A needle, right? Sometimes you go to the doctors. I know nobody likes that. Sometimes we go to the doctors and we have to get a shot to help us feel better, to help us stay healthy. So a needle, is that going to be recycled or is that going to be garbage? That's right. A needle's going to go in the garbage. Use it once and you throw it away, okay? How about oil from your car? This can be confusing. Oil from your car, if I'm not mistaken, can be recycled. Again, Mom and Dad, if I'm wrong, I apologize. But I think oil can be recycled. Okay, you can reuse that again. Okay. A rubber tire. Now, a rubber tire can be recycled. Think back to the playground, guys, when we used to go out to the playground. You remember the mulch, the little pieces of brown mulch that would end up in your shoes? That's rubber, and a tire is made out of rubber. So you can recycle a tire, okay? You can use it as a tire swing and swing back and forth. You can ground it up and they can use it as mulch. So you can reuse a tire, okay? How about diapers? Anybody at home have a little baby brother or sister? I don't think so, not that I can remember, that's in diapers. Okay? Diapers go in the garbage, right? They go in the garbage. Okay, here is a glass bottle. Where do you think a glass bottle's going to go? That's right, a glass bottle can be recycled. What happened here? The glass bottle can be recycled, okay? You can reuse that again. Now, styrofoam. Styrofoam cups. This can be a tricky one, so don't get stuck on this one, guys. Styrofoam cups. They go in the garbage. You cannot recycle styrofoam. Okay? How about a plastic milk container? What do you do with a plastic milk container? That goes in the recycling bin. We can use that for art projects with Miss Gail. We can use it to put things in. We can cut it in half, right? And we can use it to make a plant pot out of. We did that once. We can use it if we turn it over and you take the cap off. You can use it to water the flowers with. We've done that in D1 before. Okay, so that you can recycle a lot of ways. How about a newspaper? That's right, a newspaper is definitely recyclable. First of all, you can paint on it. You can use it to put down if you're making a mess, if we're doing a project in OT or something we don't want to get the table all messy. But you can also put it in the recycling bin and they'll make something else out of paper. Okay? You guys did an excellent job with recycling today, and I will see you soon. Bye, D1.